Hello guys, today we are going to prove that the out measure of irrational number in unclosed interval 01 is 1. Proof. We let A be a set of irrational number in this closed interval I. So our aim is to prove that the out measure of A is equals to 1, and you have that your closed interval I is 0, 1. Okay, this implies that A is equals to the Q complement you intersect with I. Okay, this is A. Again, let B be the set of rational number. This implies that B is equals to Q, rational number you intersect with our interval 0, 1. Okay, are we together up to that? So you have A is a set of irrational number, and B is a set of rational number. So A union B will be this union this, so is equals to our closed interval 0, 1, implying that the out measure of A union B is equals to the out measure of I interval. Okay, but by additivity property, the out measure of A union B is less or equal to out measure of A plus out measure of B. The out measure of B is 0 since B is countable, and we said that the out measure of a countable set is always 0. So you have the out measure of A union B is less or equal to the out measure of A. But A union B is your interval I. So the out measure of I is less or equal to the out measure of A. But by monotomicity property, the out measure of A is less or equal to the out measure of I. The out measure of I interval is equal to the length of that interval. So the out measure of I will be 1 minus 0. So the out measure of A is less or equal to 1, implying that the out measure of A is 1, and hence proved.